In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DKIM record in GoDaddy. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, helps mail providers verify that messages from your domain haven't been altered and are truly authorized by you. Setting it up improves deliverability and reduces the chance your emails land in spam. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open your profile menu, then choose My Products. In the My Products area, find the Domain section and click Manage All. This takes you to your domain portfolio where you can work with DNS settings. Select the domain you want to secure with DKIM and open its DNS management page. Here, you'll add the new record your email provider gave you. Click Add New Record to begin. For the record type, choose exactly what your provider requires. Typically TXT, though some services use Syname for DKIM. Now add the name or host. This is often called the selector and may look like selector domain key. If your provider shows the full host, including your domain, enter only the host portion if GoDaddy auto-appends your domain. Be precise and avoid extra spaces. Next, paste the value. For TXT records, this is the long DKIM key, beginning with V DKIM1, KRSA, P's, followed by a long string. Paste it as a single, continuous line without quotes. GoDaddy can handle long values, so don't split it. If your provider uses CNAME, the value will be the target host they specify. Again, enter it exactly as provided. For TTL, leaving it at default is fine, or choose 1 hour if you want a predictable cache time. TTL controls how long resolvers can cache the record. Shorter values can help during initial setup but aren't required. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save All Records if prompted. You should now see the new DKIM record listed in your DNS. Changes may take time to propagate across the internet, often within minutes, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours in some cases. If your provider allows you to check status, don't be concerned if verification doesn't pass immediately. Give it time. If you spot a typo, use the edit option to correct the host, value, or type without deleting the entire entry. That's it. You've added a DKIM record in GoDaddy, strengthening your domain's email authentication and improving deliverability.